What can we do now? Convoy of Hope is an arm of the Assemblies of God in reaching the world in need. Raul Manuel is directing the mobilization in the Philippines. He appointed some key leaders and pastors in different regions. How it works? Our financial help reaches to the main headquarters by online. We allocate the name for the Philippines send-out, and that fund will reach to the Philippines. The Philippine Convoy of Hope plan assess the damage and the statistics of the tragedy in localities. Then they organize and recruit local churches in different groups and volunteers to help them distribute the foods and shelter to the needy. And also, Convoy of Hope Philippines is offering a drop-off location for individualized help. These boxes will be claimed by individual address in the boxes. Once they claim, they will be accounted and reported back to the donors abroad. We believe that faith in action makes a difference to the lives of many people. So give so that others will receive.
Go. Hello there. To Pastor Ri Ibalang, the leaders and the members of the Family Life Community Church, my fellow brethren in Christ, good day. I'm Pastor Efren Ragas Abrera of GCCPH. Here's the church of the Jesus Christ Church Planters and Harvester, 7 kilometers away from the city proper. As you see, still cleaning and fix anything. We are one of the affected of the flash flood recently happened in Cagayan de Oro City. One of our daughter church was out already. We have 4 families affected, 14 person, and until now, 4 is found dead, 2 is still alive, and the rest is still missing. Until this December 21, 2011. This is the other side of the church. It's in the river already, cause of the landslide. The main church partly damaged. Here my side is Sister Ria, Sister Ruda, and Sister Ging Sabilla. Our video man is Pastor Eliseo Abrera. For my brethren and Christ in Canada, I'm asking your urgent help to repair our church and to help the family in need. Thank you, and God bless us all. May God bless, may God use you as a channel of blessing to help us. Once again, thanks and God bless.